Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through setting up your Digisol DG-WR3001N Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS method. It's the simplest and fastest way to boost your Wi-Fi coverage, perfect for eliminating dead zones. Follow along as we walk you through each step. Let's get started. First things first, let's unbox the Digisol DG-WR3001N. Inside the box, you'll find the Wi-Fi extender, a quick installation guide, and a power adapter. Make sure you have everything before we proceed. Start by plugging your Digisol Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet close to your existing router. Ensure it's within the range of your router's Wi-Fi signal to allow seamless communication during the setup process. This step is crucial for a smooth and successful configuration. Next, locate the WPS button on your existing Wi-Fi router. It's usually found on the back or side of the router. Press and hold the WPS button for a few seconds to activate the pairing mode, enabling a seamless connection with your extender. Now, go to your existing Wi-Fi router and press the WPS button. This button is typically located on the back or side of the router. Press it once and hold it for a few seconds. Within 2 minutes of pressing the WPS button on your router, press the WPS button on your Digisol Wi-Fi extender. Hold it for a few seconds until the WPS LED light starts blinking. Once the WPS connection is successful, unplug the extender from the power outlet and move it to the desired location. Ideally, this should be halfway between your router and the area where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Plug the extender back into the power outlet and wait for it to boot up. Once it's ready, connect your devices to the extended Wi-Fi network. You should now have a stronger and more reliable Wi-Fi signal. If you face any issues or need assistance, our team of skilled professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt and reliable solutions to your queries. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Digisol DG-WR3001N Wi-Fi extender using the WPS method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials.